Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download video on Telegram faster. On this video, we're going to give you two options. First option is you will be needing to download a VPN. So in my case, I downloaded Windscribe, and this is the application. If you don't have Windscribe yet on your phone, you can go to your app store and download the said application. So what you just need to do is to select any country that you want, and then you'll see on the upper right part of the screen a power button, and that's what you click to turn on your VPN. Now you can try to download again the said video on Telegram. Second option is, let me just turn this off. Go to your Telegram and then search for link to files bot. And we're going to select the second one. Okay, so just press start in here. And then what you need to do is you'll need to forward the said video that you would like to download on this link to files bot. Then link to files bot will be sending you a direct download link wherein it will be much faster if you're going to download it on the regular chat box into link to files bot. And that's how to download video on Telegram faster. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.